Hey boys and girls. So we have an extra video today, which is very exciting because I wanted to show you how to play this game. So we're going to play it together. So this is also in your math packet, and if it's easier for you, you can either take it out or you can leave it in, whatever works best for you. Okay. So we're going to play it together today. All right. It's kind of similar to Match My Pattern, except this time we're only going to write down the number. So I'm going to roll the die, okay, the dice. And every time it comes up with a number, we're going to write it down. So if it says 4, we're going to write down 4. If it says 6, we're going to roll again. If it says 1, we're going to write down 1. Okay, so we're going to do it together. If at any point I'm going too fast, you just pause the video, okay? And honestly, boys and girls, if you would rather play it on your own, you can do that, okay, without me, because that's what you'll start doing tomorrow. So here's how it works. It's called Climb to the Top. We're gonna try and see which number do we write down the most and gets to the top first, and then we color in that happy face. So in other words, do we think we're gonna roll 1 the most times, or 2, or 3, or where's 4? Or 4, or 5? Which one do you think's gonna win? Why don't you put up number of fingers? Do you think the 1's gonna win? Am I gonna roll the 1 the most, and we're gonna write down the 1 the most? Okay. Who thinks the 2's gonna win? Who thinks the 3's gonna win? Who thinks the 4's gonna win? Who thinks the 5's gonna win? All right, I'm going to say I think the 4 is going to win. All right, let's find out. Are you ready? Let's play Climb to the Top. Woo, super fun. All right. Okay, it's a 2. So we're going to write down the 2. So remember, you start here, you come around, and then back. Okay, so there's a 2 for you. All right, looks a little bit different than this one. That's okay. All right, so write down your 2. Let's do another one. Here we go. Ooh, 5. Okay, so let's write down our 5. Across, down, and around. Okay, take your time. It's not a rush. Okay, and if I'm going too quickly, you can just pause the video and then catch up. All right, and honestly, boys and girls, if you'd rather play, you have dice. If you'd rather just do it on your own, that's okay. All right, so let's keep going. Ooh, a 4. That's the one that I think is going to win. So let's write down our 4. Down, across, and then down again. Okay, there's a 4. All right, let's keep going. I'm going to roll it again. Ooh, a 1. Okay, I'm going to come up a little bit and then down. Okay, so there's a 1. All right, what number is that? Oh, it's a 6. Ooh, 6. We're not doing 6. All right. Okay, what number is that? It's 2, right? Is my hair sticking up? That's the thing about doing videos. You always see your hair. It's a problem. All right, so let's write our 2. And if you're not sure, remember how to draw a 2. Just remember, it's right here for you. You can just look at it, okay? So you start up here, come around, and then across. Okay, there's a 2. All right, so 2's in the lead. 2 is winning. Oh, I was going to say there's no 3's yet. There's a 3. We start up top and come around and around again. This is fun, boys and girls. I'm having a blast. Oh, there's another 1. So let's write a 1. Okay. How am I doing? We going? This is a good pace for you? All right, not too fast, not too slow. Okay, here's our next one. Ooh, 5. Okay, start up here, come across, down, and around, like that, okay? You can watch me do it. You can also look at the examples, all right? All right, what number is this? It's a 1. It's another 1. Looks like 1 is winning right now. So you come up and then down, okay? Some people put a line right here. That's also a 1. Okay. All right. Tell me what Oh, that's a 6. Tell me what number that is. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's another 5. All right, so we start up here. We come across, down, okay, across, down, and around to make a 5. Okay? All right, looks like 1 and 5 are in the lead. Number 4 is not doing so well. Oh, well. Well, geez, if 6 was playing, he'd be winning. Oh, what number is that? Show me fingers. How many dots are there? Are you showing me 2 fingers? Good job, 2. So let's do a 2. Start here, come around, 2. Look, I did it more like that one, huh? They're all 2s. They're all 2s. Okay, next one. How many dots? 4. That's my number. All right, so you start here, you come down, across, and then down again. Okay, that's a 4. Okay, how you doing? Are we keeping up? Remember, you can pause the video if you need to, if I'm going too fast, okay? All right, maybe I'm going too slow. Ooh, what number is that? Show me number of fingers. How many dots do you see? Do you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I see 3. I see 3 dots. All right, so let's write our 3. Around and around. Okay. There's our 3. All right. Boy, this is a pretty even game, I have to say. I thought, whoa, there's another 1. All right, let's write our 1. Up and down. Also, sometimes, boys and girls, you'll see a 1. The next time I get a 1, I'll just do it differently. Sometimes it just comes straight down, and that's just a 1. Numbers, they all look similar, but they can look a little bit different. All right, what are you rooting for? What number are you hoping wins? Anybody think that 1 was going to win? You might be right. Oh, another 6. Another 6. Another 6. What is happening, boys and girls? This world is going crazy. Oh, another what? What number is that? Is that number 5? All right, so remember, you start on the right side. On this side, you come across, down, and then around like that. Okay? That's a 5. I think I'm doing pretty well with my numbers, if I do say so myself. All right. So get that 5 down. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, it's a 2. It's a 2. 2's making a run for it. All right, sometimes, boys and girls, you'll see a 2 look like this. Have you ever seen a 2 look like that? That's also a 2. Yeah, it's a 2. All right, here we go. Now, if I roll a 1, a 2, or a 5, they win. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? Oh, it's a 3. 3 is trying to make a comeback here. Okay, so we start up here, we come around, and then we come around again like that. Okay? All right. What's it going to be? This is exciting. Is it going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? It's a 1, 2, or 5. They're going to win. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a 1. And the 1 wins. So sometimes a 1 looks just like that. Kind of like a lowercase l. All right, so let's color in our face. Here, let me get a better, I don't have a marker right now. I'm just going to use the green. So because the 1 went, because the 1 won, the number 1 won, right? I'm going to give him some hair, and I'm going to give him a bigger smiley face, and little ears. Yay, number 1. So 1 was the winner. Now, if you play on your own, if you ever play on your own, then you could get a different number. Okay, so we'll play again tomorrow. You'll get a chance to do this on your own. Okay? All right, great job. I know it was a lot today. But super fun as always. Love being with you guys. Doing an awesome job. And I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.